We were gonna go to the one spot far away for sunset chase, but decided to go somewhere a little bit closer to our normal system. Somebody enjoying herself. I'm kind of wondering, what kind of storm is that that's rolling in? Alright, and this is the part where I push pause and, like, ditch in another scene. Okay, so noise cancelling on sounds a lot better. And of course, this is a great place to test it because holy freaking crap, it is windy and I cannot see, it's dusty. Ain't that right? We have a storm rolling in. I guess we should probably get in the exocraft.
Weather warning. Incoming storm.
Oh, it's a little bit better. I don't think I got the right hazard stuff going on for storm crystal hunting. I think she's telling me it's time to go. Time to go? Alright, let's go. Loving every bit of it. Got the storm chaser dash cam going on. Feels like a storm chaser. There's the start of the show. Hi. Chasing storms? It's a bit windy, hold on. Waiting for me to snap. Ah, there we go. There's lightning. Found it. Enjoying the chase? She's really getting into it. She wants to sit in the front seat, but she knows she can't. She still tries. She likes looking out the front of the window. Well, that and she's yelling at me to actually open the window, which I don't think it's a good idea right now. Hey guys, this is why we went to the sunset chasing place. Would you just look at that? Whole sky is lit up orange. I'll have to edit a photo to kind of share what it looks like. Oh, I forgot. There you are. Hi. Wow, just look at that. Okay, I guess now's a good enough time as ever. Close today with beautiful sunset. The storm is... phone is falling off. We got like 30,000 movers, I swear. Can't even see. Alright, we gotta get back in. Your mom's crazy. You know that? Yeah, you know that it went rough. Woo! Oh my gosh. Hi. Going again for another sunset chase. Stopped by at the local Wendy's. Got myself a falling apart hamburger. Look at this. It's falling apart. So good looking though. But we got the jerky for Nova because French fries and Wendy's don't do good for her. There you go. Okay, and we're off. Oh, we found another creature. is that? You see it? Oh, scared away. Find all the grasshoppers? But see that. Alright, let's go find some grasshoppers. They're everywhere. You crazy. Hi. You're a little wild. You look like you've had too much nip-nip. Did you get into the nip-nip? Uh-oh, the cheaties are not going to be happy. You got into their nip-nip stash.